Hi everyone, this is Robert at Campbell Scientific Canada. Some applications require camera images to be saved in a data logger's memory. Usually this is because the logger has a means of remote communication connected to it, like a cell modem, Ethernet, satellite, RF modem, etc. A previous video I did shows how to save images from the camera to the logger. Now I want to show you how to set up LoggerNet to retrieve these images. These are not data files. We need to tell LoggerNet to retrieve JPEG files from the USR drive in the logger. Let me show you how it's done. Collecting the images from my logger using LoggerNet is really quite simple. So the camera's sending images to the logger. It's being held in the USR drive. It holds only, the way I've configured it, only holds up to 3 images, and then when the 4th image comes in, it writes over the oldest image, and it keeps on writing over like that. So I have to collect these before they start to be written over. Simply go into your setup, click on this station. In my case, it's the CR1000. I haven't renamed, I've just left it that way. And under the hardware tab, make sure these 2 boxes are checked and that your PAC bus address is correct. Under scheduling, make sure that the schedule box is checked, and then your collection interval. I'm going to set mine for every 20 minutes. And so every 20 minutes, LoggerNet's going to automatically call out to my logger and get that last image. The images are coming in every 15. I have a primary retry interval of 2 minutes. If it doesn't, if for some reason the connection wasn't made in 20 minutes, it'll automatically try that after 2 minutes and do that for 3 times. The next tab that I want to check on is file retrieval. Now if I had data as well that I wanted to collect, I would click here. If I wanted to verify my clock or reset the clock, I would do here and associate program. I'm not going to do that for this video, just to show how to get those images. And so the next thing you do is you click on file retrieval, you click put a check mark there, and then down here in this box, the file pattern. So this tells LoggerNet what to look for. I go add new, and then over here on the right, I click this down arrow and I look at the USR. So it's going to look in the USR for JPEGs, and that's what my images are. That's where they're in the USR, and they end with the JPEG extension. And so now, when really important, make sure you hit apply. And so LoggerNet is set up. So it's going to go every 20 minutes and automatically call my station and save those. Now I don't think I set where it's, yeah, it's gonna, the output directory, this is where you set where you want it to save on your computer. You just click on this button and choose your directory. So I'm just gonna leave it at the default, and that's all there is to set up LoggerNet to automatically retrieve those images. You want to make sure you're set up to do that, otherwise the images, the logger can only hold 3 images the way I have it set up, and they'll start to write over each other. And so that's all it takes. Hopefully you now feel comfortable configuring LoggerNet on your own. But if not, I encourage you to contact me or any of our measurement consultants at Campbell Scientific Canada. If you have any comments or suggestions for other instructional videos, please leave me a note in the comments. Again, my name is Robert, and I hope you have a great day.